You've probably tried to be creative in Classkick so far, and you may already know this, but I want to go ahead and show you some backgrounds and templates that are already included in Classkick that you may want to share with some of your colleagues. So I'm in a brand new blank assignment. I'm just going to click into one of the slides, move myself over so we can see. If I click the word background here, I can see that I can change the colors of the background, or these are some pre-loaded templates. We have graph paper, we have smaller graph paper, we have a Venn diagram already, a T-chart, an exit ticket, and then some just borders on the page. So these are all already preloaded into everybody's Classkick assignments. So you may want to let some teachers know that these are great, one-offs or a quick way to make an exit ticket. You can also import backgrounds yourself. You can click import background and import any picture as a background. You can also always use your keyboard shortcuts to copy and paste a picture that you want to use as the background, as long as you do it first and then add everything else on top of it.